Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download Solo Leveling Arise on your PC or laptop, step by step. First, open Google and type Solo Leveling Arise, PC. Then click on the first official link that appears. It should take you to the Netmarble website. Once you're there, click the download button to get the installer. After the download finishes, open the file, and if your computer asks for admin permission, just enter your PIN and click OK to confirm. Now, wait a few seconds for the Netmarble launcher to finish downloading and running. Accept the terms of service, then choose where you want to install the game. I'll keep the default path inside the C drive / program files, but you can change it if you want. Click Install, and the launcher will begin installing. If Windows asks whether to allow access on private networks, you can just press Cancel or Allow. It won't affect the setup. Once everything's installed, the launcher will open automatically. Just sign in with your Google account and you're all set. Solo Leveling Arise will launch right after that and you can start playing. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.